Okay, here we are again, same day, a few minutes later. I remember I said the cut banks. This is a cut bank on the southwest slope. Okay? And it sloughs off. I found it before, right underneath the cut bank. Kind of see the water dripping in there. A lot of water goes through this soil. I was here a week ago, checked it all out, used my hands, tamped in all the moss, looking for buttons. This is my favorite spot. I've always found them up here. Every year, I've found them in this spot. Well, this year, they're not in this spot. Like I say, I just checked it 8 days ago. I come around the corner, lo and behold, white spot. Oh, is that a leaf? Or is that a leaf? Here they are. They're growing, see? So they grew from nothing to this stage in 3 or 4 days. It's just incredible. So you got to just stay on them. When it's mushroom picking season, get out there and do it. It's a kick in the pants. And they're good to eat. And they're good for you. There you go. There it is. I always cut the little ass end off there. Throw it back in the hole. Hopefully it'll come back next year. Not bad. This one would be a 2 or a 3 if you was to sell. Move up the hill. See, it's cut bank again, but it's more towards the west. So the sun just doesn't bake it right here. And this sand right here is super, super wet. So, break that off, put it back. That's just something I've always done. It must work because they keep growing in the same place. So, there's another one. Voila. Thanks, Tom, Sandy. Right on. There it is. Another Matsu. So far, I've only been out picking for less than an hour, and I probably have, these things probably weigh 3 or 4 ounces each. So I probably already have 2 pounds, and I've only been looking for less than an hour. So if you want them, you gotta look for them. And like I say, get down low. That's how I seen those two, just barely peeking out. There's a little ink spot on that one. I don't know what that is. It isn't mold, but anyway, onward.